Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So we are back with wholesome new question which says let x, y, z be the point with integer coordinates satisfying the homogeneous equation this and this. Okay. Then the number of points which this is. Great. So how we will solve? You know that this is homogeneous equation means they are passing through origin, correct? So what I will do, I will try to find out the relationship between x, y and z. Okay. And then I will calculate. So look at this. So from this equation, look at this. From this equation, can I say that z equals to 3x, x equals to x, and we will try to find out the value of y. So value of y will become 3x minus z, and z is 3x, so y will become 0. Okay, so this is the combination which you got. So can I consider point P to be x 0 3x? Just tell me this is okay. Now your points has to satisfy this condition as well, and it will be consistent because it will 100% pass through origin, correct now? So look at this, I will solve this equation. So x square plus 0 square plus 9x square less than equal to 100. So you got 10x square less than equal to 100. So you got x square to be smaller than equal to 10. Correct or wrong? Correct. Now think about the combination of x. So I think that 0 is yes, plus minus 1 is yes. Just apply hit and trial. Plus minus 2 is yes. Okay. Plus minus 3 is yes. Correct. Now you cannot go with any other idea. Okay. So I'll go with the points. Required points. So it is 0 0 0. This is your first point. Then you got 1 0 3. Correct. I'm taking positive points, then I will take negative also. So it is minus 1 0 minus 3. Okay. Now we will take the next point, 2 0 6 minus 2 0 minus 6. Okay. Now we have 3 3 0 9 minus 3 0 minus 9. So only these points will satisfy. Therefore the required number of points will be 7. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.